rahmatullahi barakatuh. Eid Mubarak, my brothers and sisters. God willing, everyone's in a safe and healthy condition, a good positive mindset this evening. I just want to say one thing quick, and I mean it. This for everybody, man. Everyone needs to be focused. So if you focus on whatever you focus on, please do not let no distractions get in your way, man. The slightest thing can have you slip up and fall back to where you started off at, man. No one likes to keep starting over and over and over again, repeating the same thing, doing it over, repeating yourself. You know what I mean? Eventually, it breaks your self-esteem for some people, man. People tend to give up, so don't let nothing get in your way. Believe me, it takes a while, but it's gonna be well worth it, man. Well worth that pain, well worth that struggle, well worth that wait. So wait for it. Anything worth having is worth waiting for. Remember that. So don't let them get in your way of your religion. You raising your kids, you keeping your job, gunning for that new position, you know me, having a positive vibe, being a responsible individual, being a good supporter in your network, in your group, you know, keeping your sobriety, staying clean, staying sober, maintaining your lifestyle, not living beyond your means, not trying to impress the next person, impressing yourself and pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at every given second and everything that you do. Please Him. Don't worry about pleasing everybody else. You know what I'm saying? Like, just stay focused, my brothers and sisters, because this life on earth is temporary, man. You need to prepare for the hereafter. So remember that. You know what I mean? We all want to get to heaven, but how you think we get there? Like my brother said earlier, you have to die. So it is what it is. We all gonna have to leave this earth one day. So while we here and we want to make the best out of it and please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, man, do not get distracted by these little temporary joys, man. It's nothing. So stay focused. Love y'all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.